Hello viewers, iPad 10th generation is currently running on Ipados 18.1. A lot of users who have iPad 10th generation want to know whether there is any heating issue in this update. So in this video I will talk mostly about the battery life and some changes that I have noticed after Ipados 18.1. After Ipados 18, the battery life has become very less and there was a lot of battery drainage issue on this iPad 10th generation. But then Apple pushed another update, that is Ipados 18.0.1, and after that I was getting around 10 hours SOT after some customization. But now after this Ipados 18.1, the battery life has again decreased and nowadays I am getting about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time on a single charge. However, I am satisfied with the battery life I am getting from this update, but while multitasking or while editing videos I can notice that there is a heating problem in my iPad 10th generation. Though it is not overheating, but I am experiencing a little bit of heating at the back of the device. As my iPad 10th generation is protected by Apple warranty or Apple Care Plus warranty, I have no problem whatsoever in updating. But if your iPad is out of warranty or you are little bit careful or little bit worried about the new software update, you can skip this update. After this update I have checked all the things like the display. Some users were asking that they have faced flickering issue in their display after Ipados 18 update, but in my case there is no such problem. I can play HDR videos or any other videos with ease and it can handle 4K 60 FPS videos on YouTube, and Netflix and OTT platforms also performs very well on this tablet. After Ipados 18.1, new features have been added in the Note app. So if you are a student, it will be very beneficial for you. You can access all the features inside the Note app. Some new changes have been implemented even in the notification panel. Whenever you drop down the notification panel and you press and hold the control center, you can see that the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and also AirDrop are showing in different boxes. Actually now they are separated by separate boxes inside this notification panel. Actually it gives a refreshing look to the notification panel. Actually I like it. I tested this device while video editing and the video rendering time is as usual fast as it was before. So if you are someone who wants to edit videos on your iPad 10th generation, you can definitely do that and it can render 4K 60 FPS videos easily. So in the conclusion I can say that the battery life has decreased, but it is not that much of decrease that you cannot use this iPad 10th generation after this update. So if you want, you can do this update, but if your iPad is out of warranty or if you are getting a very good battery life in your existing Ipados, you need not update to the latest version. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.